I saw this post on the DIY electronics subreddit, and I was inspired to make a video about how to program an ATTiny using an Arduino. And I chose an ATTiny because using the setup that I will show you, you can easily program it to do whatever you want, and you could potentially add more to this if you wanted to. Specifically, I will be showing you how to get input through a push button to control an LED. While making a Pokemon become real is doable, I would encourage you to check out my Telememe Improvement Bundle, which is probably the closest thing to a Pokemon I have on this channel. First, you're going to want to post this link, which is going to be in the description, into the Additional Boards Manager URLs box, and hit OK. Then you will need to go to Tools, Boards Manager, and scroll down until you see ATTiny. And then you're going to want to click on that and then click Install. Next, go to File, Examples, and go to Arduino ISP and open that sketch. Then make sure you have the right port selected and then upload that to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino and ATTiny according to this diagram, and make sure you add a 10 microfarad capacitor between ground and reset to ensure a successful upload. Next, go to Tools, Board, and make sure the one with ATTiny85 is selected. Then go to Tools, Processor, and make sure ATTiny85 is selected. Then go to Tools, Clock, and make sure 8 MHz is selected. Then go to Tools, Programmer, and make sure Arduino as ISP is selected. Go to Tools again and click on Burn Bootloader. Next, add a LED N button. Make sure to add a resistor to limit the current through the LED, and a pull-down resistor to the button. It would now be a good idea to actually test if this is working, so go to File, Examples, and open up the blank sketch under Basics. And in this sketch, wherever you see 13, change it to 1, and then upload that to the ATTiny. You should now have something that looks like this. Here's the code that I wrote for the LED and button. I wrote it so that if you press the button once, it blinks on for a set amount of time, and if you double tap the button, it will blink on and off. In the code I wrote it 6 times, but you can change that to whatever you want. I'll put this code commented in the description as well. You can now disconnect the ATTiny from the Arduino, and you should have something that looks like this after you upload the sketch. But that's it for this video. I hope this helped with whatever you're trying to do.